Hello guys, welcome to RR44. Today we are going to discuss about ESA's Comet Interceptor. Recently, we all watched the news about interstellar object 3I Atlas and saw its pictures and videos. If any interstellar object like this visits our solar system, the European Space Agency and the Japanese Space Agency together launching an interceptor mission to closely monitor and study these objects. Come on guys, let's see what this is all about. In 2019, ESA chose Comet Interceptor as their first-class mission. This project is part of ESA's Cosmic Mission program. This mission is first of its kind, which is going to intercept an interstellar or a comet. What makes this mission interesting is the interstellars like 1I Oumuamua, 2I Borisov, 3I Atlas all have been detected, studied, and took images either from ground-based stations or telescopes placed in space such as Hubble Space and James Webb. To closely study these interstellars it's really hard because after when it gets entered into our inner solar system, these can be properly identified. And these interstellars are very fastly moving too. 3I Atlas has a velocity of about 58 km per second. So to launch a mission after identifying these interstellars are practically impossible. Hence the European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor mission is interesting. Now we can take a look how it is possible. The period for long distance comets are 200 years to millions of years, and its orbits are very eccentric and they follow hyperbolic paths. Hence they can be detected only within a few months before entering the inner solar systems. ESA's Comet Interceptor after its launch is parked in a stable halo orbit. This halo orbit is between the Sun and the Earth called the Lagrange L2 point. This point is 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth. This mission has a 5-year duration. By this mission, the Comet Interceptor waits for about 2 to 3 years to go after an interstellar, if the velocity of the interstellar permits to do so. The baseline design of the Comet Interceptor is solar electric propulsion. To go after a specific comet, it is selected based on the observations from ground-based observational survey stations such as Pan-STARRS, Atlas, or the Vera-C-Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time. If a long-period comet can't be intercepted, then a short-period comet will be selected if the velocity and direction allows it to. After the interceptor's journey towards the selected comet, just 1 or 2 days before the interception, the main spacecraft will deploy probe B1 and probe B2. This will enhance the observations and study. These 3 spacecraft will study the gas composition, dust flux, density, magnetic fields, plasma, solar wind interactions, and later it makes a 3D profile image based on these assessments. Comet Interceptor mainly have spacecraft A, probe B1 and probe B2. Spacecraft element A is built by the European Space Agency and the payloads are visible near infrared imager, mass analyzer for neutrals and ions at comets, NIR and thermal IR spectral imager, and MIR spectrometer, dust fields and plasma. Probe B1, JAXA is building this. It consists of Lyman alpha hydrogen imager, plasma suit, wide-angle camera. Probe B2 is built by ESA, optical imager for comets, entire visible sky coma mapper, dust fields and plasma are the instruments in probe B2. In 2020-22, this mission was adopted in ESA Space Program Committee, and in December 2022, ESA and OHB signed the contract to build the spacecraft. University of Tartu is designing the OPIC camera, and in 2023, the Estonian Space Office decided to support the development of OPIC. In September 2024, MMA Space has been selected to supply solar panels to probe B1. Spacecraft magnetometer booms vibration testing was conducted on July 2024. The structural qualification model of probe B2 camera has also passed all mechanical tests on November 2024. On December 2024, OHB Check Space in Brno, Czechia assembled the dust shields testing article. Later, this article is been transported to ABG test facility in Germany. Spacecraft flight computer is delivered by Redwire Corporation to ESA. After the instruments in the Comet Interceptor is built and tested, the launch of the Interceptor is planned on 2029. Comet Interceptor will share the launch vehicle with ESA's Aerial Space Telescope. This space telescope is set for the Lagrange 2 point. The expected weight of Comet Interceptor is 850 kg. Ariane 6 is chosen as the launch vehicle for this mission. The launch station is Kourou ELA-4. The principal investigator of this program is Geraint Jones of UK's Mullard Space Laboratory. The maximum cost expected of the spacecraft bus is €150 million. This doesn't include cost of science instruments and launch services. We can wish the mission will achieve its objectives. I hope you all like the video of Comet Interceptor. Do support by hitting like, subscribe and bell icon. Do comment and share. See you soon.